Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 8 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently lift up to unplug the battery cable from the motherboard. Unscrew 1 captive screw from the battery and lift the battery up to remove it. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the keyboard backlight cable and the track stick cable from the touchpad. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the keyboard cable from the touchpad. Flip the device back over and open it up. Insert the spudger into the small slot in the keyboard bezel as shown, and gently pry on the keyboard bezel to pop it free from the keyboard. Remove 6 2mm screws from the keyboard. Insert the spudger into the slot as shown, and use it to pry the keyboard free from the palm rest. Reach underneath the palm rest and flatten the keyboard cable so that you can gently pull it through the slot. Feed the keyboard cable through the slot and gently slide the tabs back into place. Replace the 6 2mm screws. Replace the keyboard bezel and gently push down to snap it back into place. Plug the keyboard cable, the track stick cable, and the keyboard backlight cable back into the touchpad. Replace the battery back onto its posts. and tighten the one captive screw. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 8 captive screws in the bottom cover.